How to make seed tape. You can make seed tapes at home with toilet paper and a glue stick. This homemade version works just like the commercial versions. Follow these suggestions to make your own seed tape. Things you will need: roll of toilet paper, seeds, glue stick, pen. Start with a strip of toilet paper of any length, although 12 inches is the most workable and usable in the garden. Spread it out flat and make sure it has no tears. Single ply works best, but double ply will do. If possible, choose unscented and uncolored types. Using the glue stick, gently spread glue along the middle of the toilet paper strip for the entire length. Be careful not to press too hard and tear the toilet paper. Use a dabbing action and a light touch, but try to keep the glue as continuous as possible down the center of the toilet paper strip. Sprinkle the seeds on the glue at even intervals, observing the spacing recommendations on the seed packet. It's easier to evenly distribute the seeds if you pour them out in your hand or a small bowl instead of shaking them out from the packet. Try not to get seeds too close together and keep them in the center of the toilet paper strip. Fold in the long bottom edge of the toilet paper strip to cover the seeds and adhere to the glue. Turn the strip over and apply another glue coating to the outside of the strip. Press the other long edge onto this, making sure it sticks closed. This way, the seeds are covered on both sides by a second layer of paper. Write the seed type on the outside corner of the seed tape, indicating its height, as well. Don't try to include too much other information, since writing can easily tear the toilet paper. By giving the plant height, you can easily decide placement of the seeds in the garden. Lay the seeds on top of prepared soil. Cover them with a light peat moss mixture to the recommended depth. Water and keep moist, especially after you see sprouts. The protection of the paper will keep seeds from being foraged by birds and animals and from being blown away by wind or swept away by rain. The toilet paper easily deteriorates and merges with the soil, so it's never visible.